Okay, first of all, once again, we would like to thank you for being here. Give yourselves a big hand because without you, these kind of events will not be able to happen, right? So thank you guys. Thank you for coming and supporting. Also, we would like to thank Diego Martinez Travieso, the judges, Cristian Oviedo, Ronnie Rochata, Leslie Ferreira, and Jorge Contreras. So let's give them a big hand, por favor. So, once again, are you guys ready? Yes? Que bailen otra vez y se lo... Okay. Third place. But first of all, let me tell you. First, second, and third, they get free entrance to Stevens for, is it one year? For the rest of their life. For 6 months, right? 6 months. First place gets $2,000. Second place gets $500. And third place gets a trophy, right? Trophy. Also, first and second, they get a trophy. We don't have them yet. They're custom made, so they're really, really nice. So, are you guys ready to hear it? Don't forget May 5th. Don't forget May 5th. We have direct from Florida, Grupo Forever, right? Playing one of their hits, Te Amo. So they're gonna be here. Okay. On third place we have Mike and Becky. Third place, Mike and Becky. Second place, Sig and Stacy. Desde Chicago. Okay, que se oigan los tambores. First place. Vamos a dar un fuerte aplauso. First place. Don't forget, we have Mondays and Wednesdays bachata here, bachata lessons and salsa lessons. So that's here every Monday, right? Third place, we have Tuesdays and Sundays. We have salsa Tuesdays, salsa Sundays. Awesome. First place. Oh no, big two. Alejandro and Katy. Alejandro and Katy, first place. The Stevens State House 2010 Bachata Champions. So once again, let's give them a big hand to our competitors. Un saludo muy fuerte para Freddy Muñoz, que se va a estar presentando aquí muy pronto. Right? Freddy Muñoz is going to be here really soon. Okay, felicidades a todos. Congratulations. And once again, really quick, if you found a phone, please return it to the DJ booth. Right? You missed the phone. You're missing a phone. Don't forget, May 5th, direct from Florida, Grupo Forever. Salsa Tuesdays, Salsa Sundays here at Stevens. First place, Alejandro and Katy.